You think you're in control of AI? You're wrong. Right now, as you watch this video, artificial intelligence is already making decisions that affect your life. And nobody told you. We're living through the most insane technological revolution in human history. AI has gone from science fiction to something that writes your emails, edits your photos, and picks what videos you watch. But the version companies show you? The polished demos, the friendly chatbots? That's the trailer. The real movie is much darker. Here's the truth nobody talks about. In the last 12 months, the power of AI systems multiplied by 10. Not 10%, 10 times. The model that crushed the bar exam 2 years ago wouldn't even make the top 50 today. We have AI that codes better than junior developers. AI that diagnoses diseases more accurately than human doctors. AI that writes poetry, composes music, and creates photorealistic images from text. All of this happened faster than anyone predicted. And the people building these systems? They're scared. When researchers at OpenAI saw what GPT-4 could do, they signed open letters warning about risks. When engineers at Google tested their latest models, they found capabilities they didn't program, emergent behaviors. The AI started doing things nobody taught it. Now let me tell you about jobs. The International Monetary Fund published a report. 40% of global jobs are exposed to AI, not just factory workers. Lawyers, accountants, copywriters, graphic designers, voice actors, translators, programmers, white-collar professionals watching. Their industries transform overnight. A major tech company just announced replacing 700 customer service positions with AI. A European bank eliminated 3,000 back-office roles. Freelance writers on Upwork are watching their income drop by 50%. This isn't a prediction. This is happening right now. But here's the twist. AI isn't just taking jobs. It's creating them too. Prompt engineer didn't exist 2 years ago. Now it pays $200,000 a year. AI ethicist, AI policy advisor, machine learning operations engineer, real positions with real salaries. The question isn't whether AI replaces humans, it's whether you're one of the humans who knows how to work with AI or one of the humans who gets replaced by someone who does. There's something even bigger happening. The hidden competition consuming billions of dollars. It's not between companies anymore. It's between nations. The United States investing over $100 billion in AI infrastructure. China announced their own $100 billion fund. The country that achieves AI first gains an advantage that could last decades. And here's what you experience every day without realizing. The algorithms controlling your social media feeds, your YouTube recommendations, they're not designed to show you what you want. They're designed to maximize engagement. AI has gotten terrifyingly good at that. It knows exactly what emotional triggers keep you scrolling. But it's not all doom and gloom. The most exciting development isn't coming from big companies. It's coming from the open source community. Independent developers working for free have created AI models that rival systems costing hundreds of millions to train. Meta released their Llama models, and within weeks, developers optimized them to run on consumer hardware. Your laptop can now run AI models powerful enough to compete with entire data centers. This is the democratization of artificial intelligence. The power is shifting from centralized corporations to individual users. Now let's talk about the big one. Artificial general intelligence. The point where AI can do basically anything a human can do intellectually. 5 years ago, experts predicted AGI was 20 to 50 years away. 2 years ago, 10 to 20. Today, some researchers say 5 years or less. One CIO just said they expect to achieve AGI by 2027. That's next year. What happens when AI can do almost any job better and cheaper than a human? What happens to the economy when the cost of intelligence drops to near zero? Nobody has good answers, but we're going to need them sooner than anyone expected. So, what should you do? First, stop treating AI like a gimmick. This is the most powerful technology humans have ever created. Second, learn to use it, not just ChatGPT. Learn how AI actually works. Third, diversify your skills. The safest careers require physical presence, complex human judgment, or genuine human connection. Fourth, pay attention. The next 5 years will be the most transformative in human history. We're standing at a crossroads. On one path, AI amplifies human potential. It frees us from drudgery, accelerates discovery, and creates abundance. On the other path, AI concentrates power in the hands of a few, eliminates jobs, and manipulates our attention. Both paths are possible. Neither is guaranteed. The technology is neutral. What matters is who controls it and what they use it for. The AI takeover isn't something that happens to us. It's something we choose, or fail to choose. The question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already is. The question is whether you're going to be a passenger or a pilot. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into AI and the future. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment. Are you optimistic or terrified about the AI future? I read every comment. The future is being built right now. Make sure you have a say in what it looks like. See you in the next one.